Hi crafty friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Crafting with Ronda MC. I hope you're doing well today. I would like to come on and share with you all a prop idea for Christmas. When all the kids come over, we like to do fun things together, and this year I'm going to set up a prop booth. I'm in the process of making my props. What I've done so far is I bought a piece of foam core board, and I've cut it 2 inches all the way around, and then I did extra layering on the back just to make it, you know, nice and sturdy. And I bought some gold and silver tinsel and some green tinsel, and I kind of twisted them together, and I've ran hot glue along and glued them down. So now I want to decorate this so when everyone stands behind it, it's going to look like, you know, like a window, and they're looking through it. So what I have, I'm not sure what all I want to put on it, but I do have some things that I purchased. Actually, I purchased the foam core board and the tinsel from the Dollar Tree. These little silicone nubs for my fingers to keep me from burning them. I got those there also. The little snowflakes, I'm going to have these. And also I have some balls that I would like to put on. And I'm trying to figure out, you know, how I want to do this. So I can't keep you guys in frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together, and then I'll take some pictures along the way, and there will be, you know, just some clips of what I've done so you all can see. All right, there you have it, our finished photo booth frame. Thank you guys for coming today and watching. Stay tuned. I will be posting some more photo booth prop ideas. Hope everyone has a blessed day. See you soon.